हांव कोंकणी शिकतां. नमस्कारो. कोंकणी शिकतल्यांक स्वागत. आमी पयलें कोंकणी पाठ सुरू केले तेन्ना हें, तें, ती हे शब्दा बद्दल शिकल्याची. जाल्यार आजी आमी सरळ व्याकरण ग्रामर यूज करून त्याचे शब्दा बद्दल आनी शिकया. आमगेले भाशेंतू नांवां आशिल्ल्या शब्दांक नामपद नांवांची शब्द म्हणटात. असल नांवां रवी, राधा, छत्री, हस्ती अशीं उरतात. ताकाची आमी तो, तूं, तें, तांणी अशी प्रयोग केल्यार ताका सर्वनाम नावे इंग्लिशान प्रोनाउन म्हणून सांगतात. आज आमी हे सर्वनाम प्रोनाउन बद्दल शिकया. इंग्लिश भाशेंतू pronouns are classed into first person, second person or third person. Example, I, हांव, Ravi, I am Ravi. Second person, you, तूं, हांव, तूं, I, you. Third person is gender based, he, she or it. I repeat, हांव, तूं, तो is he, ती, she, तें is it. हेंची आमी प्लुरल बहुवचनांतू we, आम्ही, you, तुम्ही नावे तें which is तांणी. I repeat, आम्ही we, तुम्ही you in plural, they तांणी. हेंचे शब्द subjective. हांव, तूं, तो, ती, तें, आम्ही, तुम्ही, तांणी ही subjective. तेंची object उरल्यार मी, हांव नावे म्हाका. Me is हांव नावे म्हाका depending on use. Give this to me, तें म्हाका दी. Objective for you is तूं नावे तुका. I repeat, म्हाका, तुका, and then in third person, ताका, तिका, ताका. So him, her, and it. In objective, म्हाका, तुका, ताका, तिका, and ताका. In plural, same, आम्ही, आमका, तुम्ही, तुमका, तांणी, तांका. I repeat, आम्ही, we, for us, आमका, तुम्ही, you, for you is तुमका, तांणी is they, for them is तांका. I repeat all the words. हांव, I, म्हाका, for me, तूं is you, for you is तुका, To is he or him is taka. Ti, she. Her or for her is tikka. Te is it. For it, takka. Ammi is we. Us or for us is amka. Tummi is you. For you is tumka. Tanni is they. For them is tanka. In English, we use two possessive words, my and mine. For example, this is my car. This car is mine. In Konkani, we only use magele. Hai magel kara nave. Hai kara magele. So the superpossessives like mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs, we have only one word in Konkani. So it is magele, my or mine, tugele, your or yours, tagele, his, tigele, her, hers, tajje, its, amgele is our or ours, tumgele, your or yours, ani tangele, their or theirs. I repeat, magele hai magel pustaka, my or mine, magele, tugele, your or yours, tagele, his, tigele, hers, hers, and tajje, which is its. In plural, amgele, our or ours, tumgele, your or yours, ani tangele, which is their or theirs. For plural, we also have gender differentiation based on the noun we are addressing. Amgelo, Amgelo Ravi, Amgeli, Amgeli Radha, Amgele neutral gender. Amgele our, also Amgelo, Amgeli, Amgele. Similar way, Tumgele, Tumgelo, Tumgeli or Tumgele. I repeat, for possessive pronouns in plural, Amgelo, Amgeli, Amgele, or Tumgelo, Tumgeli or Tumgele. We repeat all the words. My, Magele, yours, Tugele, his, Tagele, her, Tigele, its, Tajje, our, Amgele, your, Tumgele, their, Tangele. We will look at some reflexive pronouns like myself, ourselves. Hame, hame, plural, ammi. Myself, hame, plural ammi. Yourself, तुमें, plural तुम्मी. तुमें, तुम्मी. In third person, himself, ताणे, herself, तीणे, itself, tajana. I repeat, himself, ताणे. For example, Ravina, ताणे केल्ले. He did it himself. Radhana, तीणे केल्ले. She did it herself. Itself is tajana. For all these forms, plural, themselves is tanni. Plural is tanni. So we repeat, hame, myself, ammi, ourselves, tume, yourself, tummi, yourselves, tane, himself, tine, herself, tajana, itself. The plural, tanni, themselves. Demonstrative pronouns in Konkani are simple. They are this, hai, this apple is green, hai apple pachve. That, te, that apple is red, te apple tamde. The plural for them, these, he pustaka navina. These books are new. And those, ti pustaka porni. Those books are old. So I repeat, for demonstrative pronouns, this, hai, that, te, plural, these, he, those, ti. Hai apple pachve, te apple tamde. He pustaka navina, ti pustaka porni. So this, hai, that, te, these, he, those, ti. We have many words in Konkani which cannot be translated into single English word. The reason for that is Konkani language was derived from Sanskrit or Prakrit base. So based on Sanskrit grammar, we should accommodate meanings for other pronouns. We do not need to learn each of these, but I am giving you example. We have discussed before the basic Sanskrit grammar structure when we discussed nouns in form of vibhakti and pratyaya. Vibhakti is the base, pratyaya is addition. Similarly, for pronoun, for I, in prathama, subjective, aham is Sanskrit word, hau, Konkani word, hau. Plural, vayam, we, is ammi. So hau, ammi. In dvitiya, which is objective or accusative, Sanskrit is ma, asman, hamechi, ammichi, hamechi and ammichi. In tritiya, which is with, an instrumental, maya, magel barshi, asmabhi is amgel barshi, magel barshi with me, amgel barshi with us. In chaturthi, for, the case is for, makka, for me or to me, ani amka, makka, ani amka, mahyam, asmat, makka, amka. In fifth case, Panchami. Ablative. The word is from. Amgel Kanchana. Amgel Kanchana. Magel Kanchana. From me, from us. In sixth case, genitive. The word is of me. Magel Nimitta. Amgel Nimitta. In seventh case, Saptami, is Magelagi, Amgelagi. I repeat, Hau, Hamechi, Magel Barshi, Makka, Magel Kanchana, Magel Nimita, Magelagi. Hau, I, Hamechi is an objective, it's me. Magel Barshi, with me. Makka, to me. For example, Makdi, give it to me or for me. Magel Kanchana, from me. Magel Kanchana, from me. Magel Nimitta, because of or of me. Magelagi, in me. It's a locative, Magelagi. For plurals, Ammi, subjective. Objective is Amici. The instrumental, Amgel Barshi, with us. Amgel Barshi. Amka, for us or to us. Amka. Amgel Kanchana, from us. Amgel Nimitta, because of us. Amgel Nimitta. Amgelagi, which is locative, near us or in us. So I repeat these words, pronunciation only. Hau, Ammi, Hamechi, Ammichi, Magel Barshi, Amgel Barshi, Makka, Amka, Magel Kanchana, Amgel Kanchana, Magel Nimitta, Amgel Nimitta, Magelagi, Amgelagi. Similarly, we can use word for you, tu, subject, tvam, which is you, tummi, you in plural, you, singular, tu, you, plural, tummi. When it is objective, hamechi, hamu, hamechi, tummi, tummichi. In third case, tvaya, tugel barshi, tumgel barshi. In fourth case, for, tukka, plural, tumka, tukka, tumka. In fifth case, ablative, tugel kanchana, tumgel kanchana. In sixth case, the genitive, tugelo, tumgelo, tugelo, tumgelo. For locative, saptami, tugelagi, tumgelagi. I repeat, tu, tumechi, tugel barshi, tukka, tugel kanchana, tugelo, tugelagi. In plural, tummi, tumichi, tumgel barshi, tumka, tumgel kanchan, tumgelo, tumgelagi. Appropriate use of these words in sentences we will learn at later stage. I repeat pronunciation, tu, tume or tumechi, tugel barshi, tukka, tugel kanchan, tugelo, tugelagi. Plural, tummi, tumichi, tumgel barshi, tumka, tumgel kanchan, tumgelo, tumgelagi. आजी आम्ही दोन्ही इंग्लिश आणि संस्कृत भाषेनं सर्वनाम ती कोंकणी भाशेंतून कशी आयली आणि ताजे प्रोनाउन्सिएशन सांगचे कशी म्हूण अभ्यास केलो आणि तेच शब्द वाक्य सेंटेन्सांतू कशी यूज करचे म्हणून आम्ही मुखालपटी शिकया. धन्यवाद. आम्ही आणि मेळ्या.